Hello friends, this is Devbrata Pramanik and you are watching my channel Physics Friends. Today's topic is the circular motion of a charged particle in cross-magnetic field. Let there exist a uniform magnetic field perpendicular to the base and pointing out the base. That is, the direction of the field is in the upward direction. Let a small particle of mass small m and having positive charge small q is projected from this point with a speed v. The magnetic field B offers a force qv cross b on this particle. As the magnetic field is pointing out of the base and it is upward direction, so it is evident that the force qv cross b is along this direction, which is perpendicular to v. As this force is perpendicular to v, it has no component along v. So this force will not change the magnitude of the velocity of the particle. This force will just make the particle turning towards right. Let after few moments the particle comes to this point due to this force. At this point also the force on the particle qv cross b acts perpendicular to v, and this force at this point is along this direction. Here also this force will make the body turning towards right, and after few moments the body will move to this point. Here also the force qv cross b will act perpendicular to v and will make the body turning towards right. Thus, as a result, the particle will move along this circular track. Let the radius of this circular track is r. So, the force qv cross b will act as the required centripetal force to move in this circular track. Now we are to find out the value of this force qv cross b. The value of this force, that is the magnitude of this force, is qvb into sine of the angle between v and b. The angle between v and b is 90 degree. So the magnitude of qv cross b is qvb sine pi by 2 is equal to qvb. This will provide the required centripetal force to move in this circular track. So this force must be equal to the centripetal force mv square by r. If we equate qvb to this mv square by r, then we readily get the speed v as qb by m into r. But we know that v is omega into r, where omega is the angular speed. So the angular speed of the particle omega becomes qb by m, and the radius of this circular track r is equal to mv by qb, and the time period of revolution capital T is equal to 2 pi by omega is equal to 2 pi m by qb. Thanks.